The Prince is back with another video. Welcome back to the Prince's Palace. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, like, and comment on all these videos I put out. But for today's video, man, I'm really excited. I'm so excited. Last video we talked about the stock market, or we talked about the stocks and how I got into it. Now I'm going to be telling you how you can get into it. And this is not financial advice. So, and before we get into the video, little quick story that happened today. Was at work just minding my own business, and then next thing you know, we had a fan call in. We had a fan literally call on my cell phone, and it was crazy because I was not expecting him to give me good reviews and talk about stocks and all that. But I'm giving a shout out to Alfonso Burton. Alfonso Burton was the one who made the call today at work. Just saying like, hey, I appreciate your videos. Come out with more videos, and it's been really good just talking stocks with them and all that good stuff. So yeah, his channel is in the previous video under the comments if you want to subscribe to his channel. But let's get to this. So now we're gonna go and talk about two stocks. The first stock is a penny stock. Now it is not a penny. It's not. It's just a phrase or a term they use. In my eyes, I see it as $5 or less. $5 or less. So then it's a cheap stock. I got in around, say, I think 99 cents. Yeah, maybe a dollar or something. But now it's up about two something. So that's a good one. The next one we're going to talk about, I got in about $50, but this one's a long-term thing. Like you got to see with 5 years down the road, who knows, maybe longer. It just all depends. Now we're seeing at $60, somewhere around there. But let's dive in these two stocks right here. So we're gonna dive right on in here. Let's see. Now, NIO. NIO is the very first stock that I'm going to talk about you guys about. Now, I found NIO around $50, I think. This is back in December, I think. Now, this company's they're going to be big. If not, they're already big. But they learned from Tesla's mistakes. That's what I heard. And now they're going to be they're going to skyrocket to, man, we're going to see this stock over $100 guaranteed. And this car company is based off of China. So some people are saying how we have Tesla, they have NIO because they're going to be so big in China, and China's bigger than us. They've got 1 billion people over in China. Really like this car company. Really like this car company. You can see all these models right here. Got a ton of cars. Oh, they're an EV company. That's also like electric cars is going to be taking over the world one day. I mean, it's all about going electric now. You got Tesla here. They're big. Their share is going for like 800 and something. But I really like this company. Really like this company. They had their NIO Day, I think January 9th. Just kind of like, how we have Apple and they come up with their products and say everything. NIO has their things that they say about their company and what cars they're going to release. So I don't want to get too much into NIO, but I just want to describe a little bit of what the company is. So now for my second company, I found Zomedica. I found this company about a month ago or something like that. The stock was about 99 cents when I got in. Now we're looking at two something. And what it is, they're a pharmaceutical company, and this company, they're coming out with this thing called True Forma, and they're launching at the end of March. But let's look at the facts here. Most people have pets, so typical cats and dogs. That's the typical house pet. Say that pet gets sick. Now, as you can read here, True Forma, it's going to you take their sample of what I think, man, I know they're coming with you take a sample, I guess the pet's blood, add it to the sample of the cartridge, as you see right here, and insert into the True Forma cartridge, and then you get the results of 20 minutes or less to diagnose I just can't remember what they're gonna get what they diagnose the pets with. Let's see. Oh, the thyroid disease. I think it's something about their thyroid disease. Yeah. So, they're not a super big company, but with these penny stocks, if they come up with a product, and at least it gets a hype. That's a very good hype stock. So I just see the stock going really high, $10, $20. Who knows? Sky's the limit for this stock. So I'm really good. I got in about 99 cents. I got over like 1,000 share, or I think I got 1,000 shares of it, and it's been doing really good. So this is Zomedica. And let's take a look at their, here's the graph on Webull. Oh, and then you guys, if you haven't signed up for Webull, I'm going to put a link in the description so you can get some free stocks, and I get 2 free stocks right here. Yep, by just you guys depositing just $100. And let's talk about their stock. So here's their stock. But what I really want to talk about, I'm just going to do a little graph analysis. Now, you guys who are new to you guys have never read a graph or anything about a graph, I'm going to teach you a little 2 things that I like to use. Now, we got the RSI. People are thinking like, oh, what's this RSI mean? So this RSI means your relative strength indicator. Now I'm going to explain a little about the indicator right here. So you see you have this line right here. It says 70. Then you got this line that says 30. So you're thinking, okay, what does that mean? So you can never time the market. People think, oh, Alex, when's it a good time to get in? When's a good time to buy? When's a good time to sell? And I'm going to teach you guys right here. It's nothing in the stocks is guaranteed. You can't predict anything. So, but this would definitely help out. This will definitely help out. Now, as you can see, we got this 70 line. And what that means is, if this line represents the stock right here, because stocks, they're going to go up and down. So if this line represents the stock, as soon as it hits over 70, the stock is being overbought. So you were thinking, okay, so that's thinking when the stock is like literally skyrocketing, when it's skyrocketing. Now this could be, you have to, that's good to analyze your RSI, but you have to look at the graph, like right when, like sometimes the market opens, you're gonna see maybe a stock go straight up. It's gonna fire straight up, and that's when things like, oh shoot, could this means like, you never know when it's gonna come back down. That's why you gotta keep looking at the market. And so you look at GameStop. Look at GameStop. They went straight to the roof, and millions were made. And but then now they went straight down, and people were banking on it going straight back up, but millions were lost, or billions. So, so that's a good indicator. And you're looking at this 30 line right here. That means it's oversold. It's oversold. So when you means like, you're gonna buy the dip. So when this thing right here, it's gonna say like, okay, it's being oversold right there. It's being over. Let me zoom. Oh, I can zoom in right here. So it's being oversold. That means like it's trading really low. So what goes low hopefully comes high, but that's not always the case, because then you're gonna have 2 numbers: your strength and your what is it, your resistance lines. There's support and resistance lines. Yeah, that means it's oversold. That, but once it hits that line, usually means people are going to start buying and the stock's going to start going up. That's what it usually means. But right here, it looks like it's being oversold until it gets like boom right here, back up to normal. And then let me zoom out, because you couldn't see that top line, and then a little normal, all that stuff. And then you got your that's the RSI line, ranks relative strength indicator. Now you got your MACD line. The MACD line is going to go hand in hand with your RSI line. So once this yellow line crosses the blue line, that means it's going to be time to say, okay, it's going to start dipping. That's when that means it's going to start dipping. And then once it starts dipping, like you could even go up right there. You can't go straight to the RSI line. That means being oversold. That means it's dipping. But then once it crosses once the what is it, the yellow crosses the blue, that means it's gonna hopefully start going back up. So these 2 lines are your MACD line and your RSI line. They're very good to have. They're very good to have to go hand in hand. So yeah, so this is the ZOM Medical stock. Let's just look at their yearly stock. Oh wait, what? I don't know what happened here. Let's look at their. Okay, this is their month. This is just how they're doing it in the month. Oops, hold on. What day is this? I can't remember what day, but this is the days. Okay. Let's go to another stock. Let's go to NIO real quick. So NIO, yeah. Okay, let's look at the week. Actually, let's do the year. I can't zoom in. Oh, here we go. What is this? Okay, man, come on. Dang. Okay, let's just, yeah, there we go. Let's just look at their day chart. Okay, this is their day chart. Oh, perfect. Yeah, I can. December, February. Okay, NIO. This is their graph. Now, this is just more graph analysis. So right here you see on, oh, this is days, yeah. So January 11th, a little bit oversold, had to come down a little bit. Then it came back to just normal. It finished the day at 62.84. That's not bad. That's really not that bad. I just see the stock, nice steady growth up. Yeah, that's pretty good. So yeah, this stock's definitely gonna hit 100. Mark my words. Or I'm not a financial advisor. It's not financial advice, but I just know the EV market is just gonna take over like crazy. It's gonna go really high, and yeah, I just love this NIO stock. This is I only own like about 6 stocks. 5 of them are penny, and then one of them is NIO. So it's always good to have a steady growth stock that's going up a little bit. And then I have so many penny stocks that just there's a lot of risky stocks, but we'll see how those companies do. Yeah, I hope you guys like the video. Comment, like, and subscribe. But in the next video, I'm gonna talk about yeah, actually, you know what? Let's you guys have vote. Let's you guys have vote in the next video. Comment down below. You guys want to see now this is a health, wealth, and yourself video or channel. So this is about a wealth. Now you wouldn't talk about health or yourself. When I mean health, it's like more about that fitness plan and that routine. And you talk about yourself, it's about growing that mind, growing the mind. The first video was about Think and Grow Rich, really good book. So, yep, comment down below. And till the next video, Prince is out.